We craft classically designed home essentials using a new and radically sustainable system. Everything we create is made from recycled single-use containers, which we collect and process ourselves. By localizing this system, we make plastic recycling eco-friendly, like it always should have been. We use an e-bike to collect from our local neighborhoods, sorting plastic as we go. Empty containers picked up by diesel-powered trucks are shipped great distances before being recycled, burning fuel the whole way. We transform these containers into new products just blocks away from where they're collected, using only renewable energy. And we do it without city funding. What we collect is sorted by color, delabeled, shredded, and cleaned, preparing it for remanufacturing. The recycled material is then melted and reformed using several different techniques. The results are uniquely patterned, long-lasting things people need, which are otherwise made from resources extracted from nature. Full Cycle Sustainables is about integrating the recycling process with the production process to create exceptionally sustainable home essentials of the highest quality. We are ecologists, seeking a solution to the plastic crisis. We are artisans, crafting options for more sustainable living. We are resource managers, testing an eco-friendly recycling system. We are permaculturalists, designing a better future. We are Full Cycle Sustainables, redefining sustainability. To support this project, you could follow us on social media, sign up for our newsletter, or make your home a little more sustainable with one of our classically designed and uniquely patterned home essentials.